morning, 你好. Welcome to Blockchain and the Lindy Chen channel. My name is Lindy Chen. I'm very excited to be here and share my insight about blockchain with you. In the last video, I shared with you developer framework for interoperability. In this video, I will share with you application and introduction of Unit 7, prepared organization for transitioning operation to a blockchain network. This unit describes the skills and the knowledge required when preparing an organization for transition of all or part of the business operation to a blockchain network. It requires the ability to prepare the business for transition, evaluate functional architectural requirements, develop a transition plan, and design a decision-making framework for managing the transition. It applies to individuals including managers, senior operational personnel, and all internal-external specialists who are responsible for the implementation and transition to a blockchain network. The implementation or transition to a blockchain network may require interoperability with other strategic networks or off-chain services and networks. Developing cooperative relationships is an important step to ensure the ongoing access and continuity of service between these other networks. This unit of competency is designed to help you develop an understanding of how to develop the strategic networks required as part of a blockchain ecosystem. This learner guide is broken up into 3 distinct sections. Section 1. Research the organizational needs. In this section, we discuss ways to identify change requirements and a strategy for a successful transition to a blockchain network. Section 2. Develop a transition plan. In this section, we discuss the importance of and the components of a transition plan. Section 3. Design a decision-making framework. In this section, we discuss the importance of getting the right people involved in the transitioning and developing a decision-making framework to avoid judicial decision being made through the critical transition stage. Once you have worked through these 3 sections, you'll be ready to take the assessment tasks for this unit. The information contained in these 4 sections, combined with broader research and reading, will prepare you well for the assessment. On successful completion of the assessment tasks, you will have demonstrated your knowledge of an effective approach to transitioning to a blockchain network. Introduction. In this section, we will discuss considerations and strategies that will assist in getting clarity around the transitioning requirement. Organizations may have been operating current systems for many years. The disruptive nature of blockchain and distributed ledger technologies may challenge their current thinking, perceptions of what and how value is being created. Why the shift from a centralized control to new collaborative and distributed network flow is necessary, or may even struggling to understand the new business model for the organization. Change invariably is a double-edged sword. Where on one hand it can be exciting, but on another there can be fear about job security, fear of failure, and maybe even loss of status where someone may no longer be the go-to person for a particular area of the business, or have the required expertise and qualifications. All very real concerns, and yes, occasionally they are casualty. Throughout this section, the need to communicate and be inclusive will become apparent. From myself, the team at China Direct Sourcing, the team at Friesen Technology, and the team at Blockchain Collective. Thank you for watching this video series. If you like what you see and hear and want to know more about it, please subscribe our channel and contact us. Good luck with your blockchain learning journey. Enjoy the program.